Hello and welcome back everybody. If your mouse pointer is moving on its own in Windows, in today's video we are going to fix it. So it may be caused by hardware, software or malware issues, so you can follow up this step-by-step guide in order to fix it. The first thing we can do is we can update or reinstall the mouse drivers. Hit Windows plus X for that, and from there you can just go ahead and select the option of Device Manager from the given menu and hit enter. Once you hit enter, this opens up. You can go to the mice and other pointing devices option from here and go ahead and expand it and find the driver that is currently there. After that, you can right click on it and go to update driver, open it up, and you can select the option for search automatically for drivers. Click on it and go ahead and install the best drivers for your mouse right here for your pointing device. If updating doesn't work, you can go ahead and find the driver, right click on it and go ahead and click on install device. Once you do so, you can confirm that you would like to install it. Once it is done, you can close this up and then restart your computer, PC, and Windows will reinstall the drivers automatically for you. Sometimes the touchpad picks up false input as well, so you can disable the touchpad. Hit Windows plus I for that and access your settings on your device. From here, you can go over to Bluetooth and devices option right here from your left hand sidebar. And from Bluetooth and devices, go ahead and select the option for touchpad. And once you find it up, you can just go ahead and toggle off the touchpad. And then you can just go ahead and use an external mouse instead. And that should also probably work for you. Once this is done, you can close it up and try another method out. If that doesn't work, go to control panel. Just go ahead and search for control panel, open it up. From there, go ahead and find the option of mouse. Go to category view right at the top and select the option for large icons. And select the option of mouse from here. Open it up. And from mouse here, you will be finding this option. Head over to pointer options and open it up. And from pointer options, you can go ahead and uncheck the enhanced pointer precision. If you have that option, uncheck it. After that, you can just go ahead and reduce pointer speed slightly, make it slow like this. And once it is done, you can just go and click on apply and then click on OK. And that should do it for you. And you can also check for background programs. Sometimes some software like remote desktop or automation apps can move the mouse, so close the unnecessary programs, and that should also help you with the problem. So these are the solutions you can follow up if your mouse is moving on its own on your Windows. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.